There is a molecule inside your body right now that can turn your repair system back on. The problem is, after 40, most people shut it off. I want to tell you something almost nobody knows. Every day I meet people who say things like, "I'm aging too fast, my joints hurt more every year, my skin won't heal like before, my energy is not what it used to be." And the cruel part, none of this is because you're getting old. It's because your repair switch, your internal regeneration mechanism, is slowly turning off. See, when you were 20, your body repaired everything fast. Cartilage, skin, collagen, joints, hormones, mitochondria, which is your energy factory with an abundance of energy, your muscles. Then life happened. Stress, toxins, poor sleep, nutrient loss, and the switch dimmed. By age 30, 50% of your natural repair activity is already gone. At 60, only 10% is left. At 70 and plus years, almost nothing. This is why healing takes forever. Why pain lingers. Why aging accelerates. Not because the body can't repair, but because the repair signal isn't getting through. And most people don't know this. There is a molecule in your body that controls over 4,000 genes related to repair, regeneration, collagen formation, and wound healing. It is called GHK-Cu, the copper peptide, and it's the molecule responsible for why young people heal so fast. After 40, GHK-Cu copper peptide drops dramatically, and your repair system shuts down. But here's the good news. You can wake it up again. Let me share with you 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Regeneration starts with activating the copper peptide, the GHK-Cu, the body's master repair molecule. GHK-Cu is like a biological software update. When activated, it switches on collagen production. It regenerates nerves and tissues. It calms inflammation. It rewrites aging genes. It improves oxygenation. It activates stem cells pathways. It boosts mitochondrial repair. This is the real youth molecule, but it needs the right signal and the right nutrients to turn back on. Secret number 2. You're not broken. Your repair switch is just off. Most people believe my body doesn't heal anymore, my cartilage is gone forever, aging is irreversible, this is just genetics. No, the body never loses its ability to repair. It loses the instructions. And when you restore the internal signals plus the raw materials, healing restarts. I see clients in their 50s, 60s, 70s regenerate knees, skin firmness, energy, flexibility, hair quality, inflammation levels. Once the repair switch is on, the body responds. Secret number 3. You can activate repair naturally without medications. There is a natural activation method, a non-invasive biological signal that boosts GHK-Cu copper peptide and stem cell pathways. It restores faster wound healing, collagen rebuilding, joint repair, gut lining, recovery, skin regeneration, mitochondrial power, overall anti-aging. When the signal turns on, your body remembers how to heal, your cells behave young again, and you start aging backwards. If you're noticing slow healing, poor skin repair, joint pain, fatigue, or accelerated aging, and you want to learn how to turn your repair switch back on, book your free 30-minute consultation. The link is in the bio or description. I'll show you your personalized regeneration plan, the same one I use with my clients.